Good morning, children. Now here, this is civics children lesson number 1 on equality. So India is a democratic country, free nation. In our 6th class, we have learnt about key elements of democratic government, which includes here people's participation, and then here we have learnt about equality and justice, resolution of conflicts, etc. Now in this lesson on equality, here let us try to understand what is equality, why it is important. Okay children, here, why it is important? Is it necessary in a democratic country? Let us understand about the equality. Here one or everyone, or here depending upon your religion, caste, creed, race, color, are we all considered as equal? Let us see that here by the story which begins here with Kanta standing in a line on election day. So Kanta and her friend Sujata, they were standing in a line on election day, in a line to cast their vote. Kanta recognizes that her employer Ashok Jain and her neighbor Chotelal, they were also standing in a line along with various people. So children, on election day, what we observe that everyone will stand in a line, though they belong to different religion, caste, color, male or female, etc. So in a democratic country like India, here all adults, irrespective of their religion or whatever the education they had, which caste they belong to, whether rich or poor, educated or uneducated, everyone has here right to vote, or they're allowed to vote. So this is called as what here children here? Universal adult franchise, which we already studied in our 6th class. So here, what is important children? All people are considered as equal. According to our constitution, we all people coming from different backgrounds, whether educated or uneducated, or here wealthy or the poor people, etc. So we all are allowed to vote here based on here universal adult franchise. So here equality is the main key feature. It is based on the idea of equality, that we all are considered as equal, though we come from various background. Let us see now here children the other story, that is of Kanta. What she experiences that. Okay children, here what she experiences in her life. After casting her vote, then she has to borrow some money from her employer, that she wanted to take her daughter to the hospital, because Kanta, she is a domestic worker. She lives in a slum area and there was a drain beside her house. So this is what often we see, that her daughter, she is sick and Kanta, she has to take her to hospital. As she borrows money from her employer, at the end of the day, she takes her to the hospital. But again, what she notices that she has to stand in a long line, because mostly what we see that all these poor people are standing in a line in the government hospital. She thinks that Jain madam and Jain sahab, they can stand in a line to vote, but they never stand in a line when their children are sick. So this is what she feels, that is she really equal? Now let us see here about the other kinds of equality which we have in our country, where in many places inequality is practiced. In many parts of our country, inequality, people are experiences different ways about their unequal treatment. One of the most common form, that is here caste system. Yes, so here let us see here one real incidents based on here the experiences of Dalit child attending the school. The experiences of a Dalit child attending school here. Now, Om Prakash Valmiki, he was a Dalit student. Dalit refers to so-called lower class or broken. They were also called as polluted and seriously discriminated against. So, Om Prakash Valmiki, he was a Dalit writer. In his autobiography, Jutan, he mentions that when he attended school, when he was small, attended school, he experiences here how he was treated very badly. Now he says that, yes, the other children were learning and Om Prakash, he was made to sit away from the children on the floor and not even on the mat. Okay, just he was made to sit near the door. And when he was 4th class, the headmaster made him to sweep the whole playground, school building, near the doors and windows. So this happened number of days. And other children also, they used to beat him without any reason. And this happened like that number of days. He was made to sweep the playground, building, and other teachers, headmaster were looking at him. Children were studying and he was made to sweep the playground. He was very small and the playground was very large. The dust entered into his mouth, into his eyes. He was not even made to drink or allowed to drink water here. So this happened like that couple of days. One day his father, yes, by passing saw his son sweeping the playground. His father was shocked to see this incident. He loudly confronted on teachers saying that his son is going to study in the same school. And not only here, Om Prakash Valmiki, but other children are also going to study in the same school right there. So he shouted at them loudly and holding Om Prakash's hand took him away. So this is what children hear. What we see here in Om Prakash Valmiki's experiences here. That how he was treated very badly because just he was a Dalit. This is the reason what we are seeing here, how inequality is practiced in our country in different ways in India. So this is one example, children. This is one story about here, Om Prakash Valmiki, that how he was treated unequal. So next is here about the experiences of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Now in our country there are many large cities. Mostly in large cities we see that such practices are going on still today. So this is the experience of here Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Now they were looking for a rent in an apartment. They had money was no problem for them, so they were ready to pay money for a house. Now they knew some property dealer. They asked the property dealer to show a rent. The property dealer showed them an apartment, first apartment, and they liked very much here. So they were ready to take it, but the landlady found that she could not rent a house someone who ate meat. So this is what the property dealer and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, they were surprised to hear that. So in the second apartment and in the third apartment, the same incident took place. That they were not ready to give someone who ate meat here, non-vegetarian. So here, finally, the property dealer asked Mr. and Mrs. Ansari that if they might change their names and call themselves as Mr. and Mrs. Here, Mr. and Mrs. Ansaris, they were reluctant to do that. See children, nobody will like to change their names, their surnames. So here, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, they were also reluctant to change their names. It is a matter of self-dignity, self-respect. So they were regular to do that. Finally, after a month, a lady was interested to rent a house. So this is what we are seeing, children, here. How here Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, they were also treated here unequally. So in our country, like India, in large country, okay, India is a very large country. In a large country, we have many cities and towns. So in many parts of our country, still we see that how based on religion and caste here, people are treated unequally. So children, here, now this is what we are seeing here, how equality is important in our country. Because on equality here, what is that here? It is key feature of our country. But what we are seeing, children, here, in some of the parts of our country, still inequality exists. So children, read textbook. Thank you.